This is how to reset your Golf 7 oil change due reminder. We're going to be using the 00 button and the ignition key. It's fairly straightforward. So we have our oil change in 24 days. We're going to be using the 00 button and the ignition. That's it. So ignition off, press the 00, turn the ignition on, reset oil change service, release, and then press service reset, cycle the ignition, turn it on, service is gone. Now to do the inspection, press the button, turn the ignition on, wait for it to leave the button pressed, then press the button again, that'll reset it, cycle the ignition. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.